How to delete WorldRemit transaction. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'll guide you on how you can delete your WorldRemit transactions, so make sure to watch the video till the end. If there are some transaction history that you would like to delete on WorldRemit, let us figure out how we can do that. Go to worldremit.com and then make sure that you're logged into your account. And then after you've done that, just make sure to go to my account here and then just go to my transactions. So if there are any of the transactions that you've made or you've already made, which is the past transfers, can you delete those transaction history? Well, unfortunately the answer is no. WorldRemit will not let you delete your transaction history. Now this is actually illegal to let you delete your transaction history, right? Any payment applications such as Cash App, Venmo, WorldRemit, MoneyGram, etc. are not allowed to let you delete your transaction history because that must always remain there as said or mentioned by the law. Just to protect you from fraud and for security reasons, you should be able to go ahead and view this transaction history. So hope this video helped you understand your question. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.